and sentences. Let's begin reading sight words. I, a, by, the, in, you. Let's repeat. I, a, by, the, in, you. Reading words with long U sound. Glue, blue, true. Glue, blue, true. Cube, tube, lube, cube, tube, lube. Tools, pole, fool. Tools, pool, cool. Pew, zoo, do. Pew, sue, do. Let's read sentences with long U sound. The cube is blue and new. Let's repeat, children. The cube is blue and new. I play a tune on the flute. Let's repeat. I play a tune on the flute. The mule is cute in the zoo. The mule is cute in the zoo. June is a fun month for you. Let's repeat. June is a fun month for you. The tube has glue for school. The tube has glue for school. The music is cool and true. The music is cool and true. Well done, children. You are awesome. See ya.